In this video, we will cover understanding search operators. When running searches, there are a few syntaxes that can be used to get a more accurate search. For example, if you run a quick search in ProjectWise Explorer and you know the entire phrase you're searching for, use double quotes. In this example, we'll search for content check, then press Enter to run the search. This will return all the documents with the phrase content check in them. If you know only part of a phrase, you can use wildcards before and after the part of the phrase you are searching for. In this example, we see all documents with the word check are displayed. Here is a list of useful operands along with their meanings. Standard SQL wildcards can be used in queries. The wildcards % and asterisk can be used to replace any number of characters in the wildcards. Underscore can be used to replace a single character. You can use these operators when running a search using the search forms. In this example, I'll search for when the document was created. Under Criterion Type, I'll select General Properties, then select Create Time for the property. Clicking next to the value field here provides you a list of operators to choose from. I'll select greater than or equal to, then enter the date parameter I wish to use. Click Add Criteria, then Apply to run the search. Here we see all of the documents that were created in the defined time period. Another option would be to select Create Time for the property, then this time I'll select Custom Expression in the Create Time format pane. Click on the arrow to open a list of available expressions. Here, I'll choose Created in the last 7 days, and then the operators are automatically set up in the value field.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.